Cursor AI wrote 150 lines of working code in 8 seconds, and it costs less than $20 a month, but there's a catch most reviewers aren't telling you. Cursor is a VS Code fork with GPT-4 and Claude baked directly into the editor. It's not a plugin, it's a full AI-native IDE used by over 40,000 developers. Hit CMD plus K and Cursor rewrites any selected block of code based on your plain English instruction. It understands your entire codebase context, not just the open file. The tab autocomplete isn't one line, it predicts multi-line edits across functions, and it learns your coding patterns the longer you use it. Versus GitHub Copilot at $19 per month, Cursor gives you full chat, codebase search, and multi-file edits. Copilot still can't touch multiple files in one prompt. Free tier gives you 2,000 completions per month. Pro is $20 per month for unlimited completions and GPT-4 access. Business is $40 per user per month with privacy mode and SSO. Cursor scores a 9.1 out of 10. It genuinely accelerates development, but it won't replace senior devs. It will make junior devs dangerous. If you write code daily, this is a no-brainer at $20. Try Cursor free, link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.